Hello, dear friends. Today we will talk again about something very nice. Friends, you have always heard about do good to others and others will do good to you. Lots of people have said that you don't worry about what comes your way. You just keep on doing good. Friends, this is absolutely true. The problem is that when we do good to others, we automatically expect a return of those others to do good for us. For example, you are helping some friend in need, and then automatically you expect that, okay, when the time comes, this particular friend will help me and return my good deeds. It doesn't work this way, friends. We have to accept and understand this. The actions that we do are definitely going to have result, but from which source we don't know. The results can come from different sources, not necessarily from the person for whom we are doing the good actions. I will tell you a little episode of my own life. Many years ago, my mother and we went to a government office in Delhi. My mother was old and we had to go there for some property transfer papers. And you know that government officers and such places are very crowded and it takes a lot of time for people to get their work done. So we tried to go on time and we submitted a file and we were waiting. And the officer who was to handle our work walked in. And by chance he walked in from the side that we were sitting, and while passing he stopped for a few moments and looked at us, and then he went inside. Very soon after that, an assistant came and asked my mother, "Are you Mrs. Sahai?" So my mother said yes. So he says, "Sir is calling you inside." So we went inside, and as we entered his cabin, the officer got up from his seat. He came and he touched my mother's feet and he said, "Mataji, I am from Allahabad University, and Professor Sahai, that is my father, who was the professor and head of English department in Allahabad University." So he said, "Professor Sahai was my teacher and I have seen you in department functions. So I just thought that you must be the person because I saw your file also." And then he sat and talked to us about my father and those times. And while he was chit-chatting, his officers were busy doing all the work on my mother's file. They came and they took her picture and they took her sign and everything without her having any trouble. And in 10 minutes we got the work done and we thanked him and we came back. Now friends, this person has done such a great good for us. How can we repay his good? What can we do for him? Nothing. So it shows that we must have done some good somewhere. My mother, my father, or anybody must have done some good somewhere, and the return came in this way. Another story from my life. My younger son, who lives in New York, he was going to work and he was leaving the subway station and he was going up the stairs when he just slipped and fell. And he got hurt on his knees. Unknown people in a strange city, that is strange for us, in another country, those people, we don't even know who they were, we don't know their faces. They came, they helped him, they took him to the place where he had to be treated, they informed his office. All that happened. How are we going to repay them? How are we going to do good to them? They have done good to us. So friends, from this you will understand, when you do good to someone, somewhere in your own life, the reward comes from somewhere, sometime, by known or unknown people. But we keep making that fallacy, believing in that, and we keep hoping that no, when we do something good for someone, that someone should do good to us. It doesn't work that way, friends. So keep on doing good. Wherever you get a chance, whenever you get an opportunity, help people, Do good actions. You don't know from where, when, and how you will get a reward for them. That was my message today. All the best to all of you. Bye bye.